Session interrupted by the Epic Online Services SDK Win32 DLL pop-up. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. It's time to resync your libraries and clear that crash for good. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Epic Online Services SDK Win32 shipping, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the Epic Online Services SDK Win32 shipping, the 32-bit implementation of the Epic Online Services SDK, required specifically for older 32-bit multiplayer titles on 64-bit systems. If missing from the game's root path, the game will refuse to join online servers, citing a security module load failure. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. eossdk-win32 shipping is part of a game or graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is hardware accelerated. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Epic Online Services SDK Win32 shipping file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Epic Online Services SDK Win32 shipping DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Epic Online Services SDK Win32 shipping. Thank you for trusting us with Epic Online Services SDK Win32 shipping repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.